The Dining Services online menu is your one-stop shop for detailed information about the food we serve on campus. From dining locations and hours to a built-in search feature with allergen and ingredient features, the online menu is an easy-to-use tool that helps you maximize your dining experience. To access our online menu, visit dining.vt.edu and select Daily Menus from the drop-down menu in the top right corner. For up-to-date food options, click on any dining center. For example, let's click on D2 at Dietary Hall to look at several helpful tools and features. At the top, you can view the menu for today, tomorrow, or another date in the future, and the hours of operation. There is also a search bar to find a specific food item, the allergen/ingredient filter, and the meal periods available. Let's look at lunch options at Gaucho's by clicking on Lunch and then selecting Gaucho's Grills. Each menu item provides a brief description, dietary tags such as vegetarian, vegan, or halal, and a list of the top 9 allergens, including gluten. To use the allergen and ingredient filter, click on the button next to the search bar. Here, you can switch between foods that contain or does not contain allergens, dietary restrictions, or ingredients. The ingredient filter also allows you to search for ingredients outside of the most common allergens in 3 search windows. For more than one ingredient, click on or click and to find meals with a combination of all those ingredients. For more detail about any of the results, click on the information icon for nutritional facts like calories, carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. You will also see a full list of allergens and ingredients. Generate a customized meal analysis by clicking on the plus button next to any menu item, and then select My Plate at the bottom right of your screen. This will calculate the complete nutrition facts for your entire meal. Then you can adjust the quantity of each individual item to recalculate your report. All of these features are also available on the Hokie Dining app. The Dining Services online menu makes it easy to find what you need when you need it, so you can stay fueled for your experience at Virginia Tech. For the latest Dining Services updates and events, follow us on social media.